Good morning, lovelies. How are you today? Just take you on a little walk around my garden. Here's Romeo and Juliet. I just love dried leaves, don't you? Like piles of them. I love them. I wouldn't get rid of them. Well, I have to get rid of them, but what I do is I compost them or I mulch all around my shrubs. And this little chap is where the previous owners of the cottage buried all their pets. You know, I think they had a couple of cats and a dog maybe two dogs even, that they buried there. So he's just hugging a little pet and guarding the graveyard. Just look at this great oak. It's wonderful. I'll be so sorry to compost these leaves. They just look lovely on the drive. So here's my plants that I'm overwintering, and I just put clear plastic over them if I can in the greenhouse just to help them. So this is where I am with my water feature. I've seen the nice shape of that, but it's plastic, so we don't like that. I'm gonna cover it in a minute. So I'm using post concrete, and it's got bits in it. It's got like gravel in it, and I'm going to add some of this to the mix. Hi, I'm just sitting in the garden and having coffee, waiting for my cement to go off. And the water feature is going to go in this little courtyard garden. So I'll show that to you when I've finished it. Let's see what it does with this.